Welcome, class, to week 3 and chapter 3 in your textbook. This week, we're going to be focusing on using methods, classes, and objects. Now, I've talked a little bit about instantiating classes and creating objects, but this week, you're actually going to use that quite a bit more. In fact, you're going to learn how to describe a method and figure out where it's supposed to be placed. You'll identify the parts of a method, meaning the parameters and the different return values of a method. And with these methods, you'll learn more about the return value types. Now, in previous weeks, I've talked a little bit about the void type, which returns nothing. But these methods you can create can also return strings, integers, floats, doubles, as well as other custom classes. Speaking of classes, you're going to learn more about classes and objects this week. Don't get overwhelmed. Classes and objects are fundamental to programming in Java because Java is an object-oriented programming language. So with that, we're going to create a class. We're going to create instance methods in a class and talk about declaring objects and how we use those objects in the methods that we've created. All classes have default constructors, whether we code them out or not. But we'll talk about those constructors, whether they're the default constructor or a special constructor. And hopefully by the end of the week, you'll appreciate the use of these classes, even as specialized data types that you can return from methods. Classes are a great way of encapsulating your data and passing in a very structured manner. Okay, so we have a lot to go over this week. Don't get afraid. If you need to reach out to me, my email is available or use the class chat.